What is up, YouTube? Kylie Matthews back again with another video, and this time I'm bringing more cash, more proof. And first off, let me start by saying that this is not fake, and to even prove that it's not fake, you see that today is July 18th, 2019, and I withdrew 400. I'm scratched out, the cereal food I got myself, but I withdrew $420. And have a balance of 150. And just to show you, all the money right here, 20s and then 50s. Bought some food, so if you count it and stuff like that, it's gonna be 400. But bought some food, so the rest of my money right here on the side. But for the main part, this is everything I do. Simply just from posting ads online and making money. If I can do this, you can. How many people want to be able to go to the bank and just withdraw $400 or even withdraw $200 just to do whatever you want with it? All this earned within a couple of days. My training works, my stuff works, everything I do is working, and people continue to sleep on this like it's a scam, it's not legit. But clearly, if I can go to the bank and even withdraw all this money, that shows you that I'm doing something right. So with that being said, I'll leave my information down in the description below. Message me, contact me, get onto me within Facebook, YouTube, anyway, so you can start making money, so I can help you change your life. It takes a little bit of effort and a lot of consistency, but with this, anything is possible. Don't tell yourself you can't do anything. If I can do it, so can you. Take care, everyone.